Ever wonder if the crypto exchange you use actually holds the assets it claims to? In the world of traditional finance, you trust that a bank has your money because a third party, like the government, says so. But crypto is different. It's built on the principle of don't trust, verify. This is where Kraken's proof of reserves feature comes in. It's a cryptographic process that allows you, the user, to independently confirm that your funds are included in a third-party audit of Kraken's total reserves. Think of it as a digital fingerprint for your balance. So, how do you use it? It's simple. First, log into your Kraken account. On your dashboard, look for the Proof of Reserves section. This is where you'll find all the details of the most recent audit, including the date it was conducted and the independent firm that performed it. Next, you'll see your specific account's record ID and the balances that were included in the audit. This is the cryptographic proof unique to you. It's a key piece of data that confirms your assets were part of the snapshot taken by the auditors. To go a step further, you can use the provided tools to verify your Merkle tree path. This is an advanced verification step where you can confirm that your individual leaf of data is correctly included in the overall Merkle root of the audit. This is the ultimate way to prove that your funds were accounted for without revealing any of your personal information to the public. Kraken's proof of reserves is more than just a marketing claim. It's a verifiable, cryptographic tool that empowers you with transparency and security. It's a direct answer to the question of whether a crypto exchange is truly solvent and a testament to Kraken's commitment to building trust in the digital asset space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.